Teach Me TV, back again. We want to personally thank every one of our subscribers and members. 2022 was a year of knowledge and 2023 will be a year of obtaining more knowledge. But what are you doing with that knowledge? Are you just sitting on it, or are you actually putting it to good use? That will help you and your business thrive long term. As you know, we are here to provide you insight. So in this video, we are going to be discussing how you can learn all the basics of affiliate programs. This is key for you because not everyone has the money to start a physical business, where you buy goods and sell them at a price point that gives you a profit. With today's e-commerce websites like Shopify and eBay. If all this sounds good to you, watch this video to the end and we will give you 5 affiliate programs you can join and start today. And you will receive instant access to an exclusive webinar room that shows you strategies on how to promote those offers once you begin to partner with those 5 affiliate programs. If that sounds awesome, hit that like button right now. If you're ready, then let's go. If you're just starting out and this video is for you. If you're not a newbie and you want to learn new tricks, this video is also for you. You should never stop learning. We are going to give you these affiliate networks that will pay you. All you have to do is take action today. For some people this is a no-brainer, but for others there is doubt and confusion. Make this year a year of profit and new horizons. Don't let fear stop you. The first thing you must understand is which types of affiliate programs are out there. Fortunately for you, there are many affiliate programs available due to the rise of online shopping. Many companies are relying on this form of marketing to drive sales. We are all consumers to some degree. It all boils down to, do you want to get paid for your consumption? Partner with your favorite company and make money with them by promoting their products. You have a foundation of purchase history and relationship with the brand. You can explain this better than the average marketer. The second thing you have to understand, what's the difference between PPL, pay per lead, and CPL, cost per lead. Now, these actions all determine you and your strategy. CPC, cost per click, is a metric that determines how much advertisers pay for the ads they place on websites or social media, based on the number of clicks the ad receives. CPC is important for marketers to consider since it measures the price of a brand's paid advertising campaigns. The goal of marketers should be to reduce the price of clicks while also cultivating high-quality clicks and consequently satisfied customers. CPL, cost per lead, which is self-explanatory. You send a lead to a company, you get paid. There are several ways of doing this. I would get into all the specifics, but that would be for another video. For the most part it's all sales based. You make the partner money, you make money. If you can do this well enough, you can make some good money online. Or you can sign up for this 7-day video course free. Click the link below to join. Back to the affiliate programs. It's up to you to which program fits your needs. Don't forget to do your research on each program. Here they are. LinkConnector.com. This is a great platform to use if you're a newbie or not. Link Connector is a best-in-class network answer for traders and partners. Link Connector gives unrivaled client care through private affiliate reps that get in touch with us weekly about new vendors and open doors that fit their plan of action. Among other things, their platform's technology helps affiliates boost conversion rates and track conversions through their different promotional methods with a private coupon code. Clickbank.com. This website has always been one of my favorites on my taskbar. It's what I used when first starting my online journey, just like some of you are doing today. With well over 5 billion in sales and a 20-year track record, Clickbank has stood the test of time. Unlike many other programs we won't bother talking about, even the most experienced affiliates out there still use Clickbank to promote digital and physical products. AvantLink.com. AvantLink assists affiliates with developing their business by consistently connecting them with top-notch distributors who earn a commission from deals produced through their referrals to your site purchasing experience. Simple, quick, easy, and straight to the point. In this business you have to appreciate that. ShareSale.com. Shara Saleh has gone through 20 years of developing their organization by sustaining connections, building state-of-the-art innovation, and directing vendors and distributors to prevail in their member advertising channels. Utilize their foundation and the broad organization of partners to take advantage of new wellsprings of income for your web-based business. MaxBounty.com. Promote high-converting cost-per-action campaigns from hundreds of advertisers seeking your blogging, media buying, social media, and email marketing expertise. This is a great platform for quick promotions and campaigns. These are just a few that I have given you. There are tons of others out there to choose from. It comes down to what are you looking for. Most affiliate programs use the CPA, cost per action. This means your job is to entice engagement between the brand and the potential consumer. If this is something you think you can do, we would like you to join our 7-day free video course that will give you some tips for getting started with promoting your links on social media. All you have to do is hit the link below the sign up. Then you will be allowed exclusive access to the webinar. Every day for 7 days you gain access to a secret room where the webinar video can be viewed. This link is for you so you can re-watch as many times as you like, if you missed something the first time. You will receive an email with a link and course modules. Watch these videos in order. This is why every day you will be allowed access to the webinar. We have found that individuals retain more information this way, especially with all the tons of tricks and tips you will use to succeed. We hope you have learned something today and are walking away from this video with tons of valuable information. If so, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to receive updates on when we drop another video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.